What's up guys, Faz here again from BeckettBoy.com, and we're going to show you something a bit different today. The basic cleaning process before you send your cards in to get graded. So something that often gets overlooked, a lot of guys will send their cards in absolutely filthy, not even checking them over. So we're going to address that today. It's very, very simple. And it's only a short video because it is only a short process, but it's something that anybody can do at home before they send their cards off for grading. If you're loving our content, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell down the bottom for all the latest vids when they drop. Without any further ado, let's get into it. So guys, got a couple of cards here from my SGC submission. If you haven't seen that submission guide, check out my grading card guides. Now, what you're going to need is a paper towel, okay, and that's it, just paper towel. Don't use household chemicals or anything, or water or anything like that. If there's a little bit of stuff on it, I normally would just breathe on it and then use one of these paper towels. But basically just put it in the center of the paper towel, fold up the corner like that, and then with the top edge, okay, you just want to just do corner by corner. Now obviously refractors are a bit easier to clean because they've got shiny surfaces. With the base cards that have got no gloss or anything like that, I still do this, but sometimes there's very little effect. Okay, so same for the bottom, guys. You hold it, you pin it with one, and you use the bottom to clean like that. Okay. Not much pressure, just circular motions. Don't press very hard, okay? Okay, as you can see, that's shining quite nicely. So we'll pop him back inside the sleeve, which is over here. Sleeved, and then inside it's card saver. Okay. That'll just get rid of any of the little gunk or anything like that. Same with this one, guys. Just pop him out of the penny sleeve. I always tilt it in the light too, because that way you can actually pick up the marks and the fingerprints. Now if the back's glossy, you want to do that too. There's a bit of a mark on this one at the top here, just around there, so I'm just going to breathe on that. That's all you want to do is just breathe on it, okay? Don't use water. I've seen people spraying all sorts of stuff on them and household chemicals, and that's just going to ruin them. So don't do that. Unless, of course, you're never going to grade it and you don't care, then you by all means, but it's not going to grade very well if you're spraying it with chemicals and all sorts of other things. So that's looking a lot better. Always hold it side to side or top to bottom, okay? And never grip over the top, just like that. And the last one, it's not that much of a shiny card, but it does have a little bit of gloss. So we'll try and see first if it's got any fingerprints or anything like that. And this has a glossy back, so we're going to do the back of this one as well. Make sure you wash your hands before you do these as well. You don't want dirt or oil. You want your hands to be as dry as possible when you're doing this as well, so that, you know, basically when they're oily, if you do happen to touch them, you're not going to get into much trouble. However, if your hands are very oily and dirty, you're going to leave some pretty funky looking fingerprints, and that's not going to grade well, especially if you're not onto it and you're not switched on. Alright, so these bad boys are ready to get sent off to SGC. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Just thought I'd touch base on that one. If you've got any questions or comments, let me know. Hit me up in the comments section, and we'll get back to you as soon as that. But that's it for today, guys. And we'll see you next time.